Good morning, everyone. Today, the December 31st, last day of the year. So we can take a look very quick. The corn price in the week, like 27% gain, and soybeans gain compared with last year, 4%, and wheat and livestock. There's a lot of stuff is gaining, and especially beef. Get off and pork. The percent's not very good looking at all, but anyway, the food market price in the U.S. most of them gained a lot. So anyway, now we need to take a look at very quick at the USD. 0.01%, and a lot of them is Canadian 0.24%. And Mexican, Europe, all of them, a lot of them plus today, especially Japan is getting lower a little bit. Natural gas plus, ethanol, gas, a little lower. A lot of stuff we can take a look at that board, and we can see copper, silver, gold is going higher, platinum and palladium lower, and a lot of sugar and oranges go up, and those common things go down. So anyway, that's really good information to take a look very quick. The first one we're going to take a look at today is YALA, YALA. So YALA is what? It's been for like 3 years and just jumped to the market on that's around September 30, 2020. That's not that bad. So anyway, now we need to focus on the map first, and remember the map on the right hand side to show the direction where is the stock go. And with the safe number we keep around is 591. Just keep that. Around 591 or $6 is safe number if you want to buy this stock. In order to make profits, is $6 is the best. Whatever, remember, you have to choose from the map. The map show you the future. And the map, if you stuck with the map, is to collect money. And if you move away really far from the map, is you stay in the danger area. That's not a very good spot. So the second map I want to say is the left one with the 7 layers. Remember, we keep in the second layers. It's not possible because we will sell in the third layers or the end of the second layer. So this stock been 41 in a year. That's the highest one, and $5.64. And now cost just $6 something. I mean, it's with a $1 billion company like this is, and one day they can move from 6.1 to 7.3. That's $1.29, $1.19. And the yearly rotation is $36, almost $36. That's really good. And especially this one, the Q3 is really good earning at 0.19. It's really good. And this United Arab. Oh, okay, United Arab. So this one is not in the U.S., remember? But anyway, this one in Dubai. As in Saudi Arabia team. So, and I want to say another 3 lines. When you see the green part over there is selling. The medium is selling area, but that's really because that's a range. They can move the maximum in that area. The lowest they can hit to on the map we can tell is under 7 to over 12, and that's the range area. And now we have to focus on that. So second one we going to take a look at today is VGR. VG as a vector group. And people should take a look today because whatever you see, the work is this stock have reason, experience, then you know that's where something's going on. That's money. They try to stop you. That's the money right there on the table. Catch that. So this company been found in 1980 and gets around 1,300 people in Miami, Florida. And this is real estate company. It's really, really rich company. And you know, whatever they go down, just keep around 10.9 or $11. That's really good. Think about that, the real estate company, especially in Florida right now, everything's so expensive, even though house, land, and commercial real estate place, all the places, all the buildings, it's really expensive. And this one, the highest one is $17, you know, and $10. Just $7 rotation in the years. And every day they can move from 10.9 to 12.9 is like $2. I mean, very, very stable from 10 to $17. It's now $11. The 11 something is really good price to buy. Just go ahead and buy it like 50 share, 10 share, 5 share, whatever, and keep buying them down. Because with the real estate market right now is, you know, make really good money, and but the end of the years, everyone try to report lower and try to file the tax, you know. But like next year is going to be much, much higher, especially Florida is the heaven of the U.S. and it's warm, it's nice. And anyway, whatever the earning reports, the EQ report is still in positive, even though it's lower a little bit compared with last month. I mean, last Q. And the Q4 didn't have a report yet. But if we're going to buy this one, have to buy it from 11.30 lower. And every order like that just keep lower, like 25 to 30 cents. We make really good profits on this stock, and I'm going to buy this one today. And I share what I buy, and you chose what you buy. Remember that. That's really important key. So, and we going to sell it later with around $12, $12.50, 30. I mean, 13 and 13.5. 14 even though, but anyway, this one you have to keep on C1, and if you throw them on C3, C2, and you make more money, but I'm not recommend that. So anyway, this is what they look like on Robinhood. When you see that, that's went down like 34% today, 34.15% today. Don't worry about that. That's just a big game for someone doesn't know exactly what's going on. Because think about that. That's 33%. That's your profits later. If you don't cash it, regret it. Anyway, we don't have to wait that to come back to get it. Just wait till like 20% gain up and we can sell it. If we don't buy right now, it's a big loss. Right now is 11.44. That's the most really good looking number. If we don't cash it, and we have to lose it. So anyway, we have to see all the number, and especially the PE rule. It's called PA rate. It was really high, really good looking, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Happy New Year, everyone.